Okay, so this time let's create a robot using my beautiful volunteer here. Okay, hold your tummy. Tummy aches. Tummy aches. Okay, so now, first things first, we need to inflate two balloons for the body frame. So we need two balloons here fully inflated like this. Twist it halfway like so. And don't move. I'm gonna put this here under her armpit like this. I'm gonna twist this four ends at the back of our subject. Okay, turn around for a while. Okay, so yeah. Just turn around. Now I need these two balloons. Just put it here. Of course, twist this together. Put it together as well. That's it. So now we need the extra accessory for our arm. Put your hands down like this. Now we need two balloons that are same color here, fully inflated as well. Now put this balloon here, twist it, connect this balloon like this, and make a loop here like this. And do the same process on the other side of her arm. Okay. Just repeat the process. Put it here. Now, put this here also. So we have the first part of our robot. Now we need the hat of our robot. Of course, let's inflate another hat here, fully inflated, color pink this time. Like we did earlier, let's make a base hat here, just like this. Okay. Just like that. Now put this end here. Like this. So we have the hat of our robot. Now, we need a connection balloon or should I say added accessory at the top of her hat through the base frame of our robot. Let's pick another color here. This time let's choose violet. Okay, put this here. So we have a connection figure here connecting at the back of her body, because remember, she is a robot. Turn around, full swing. Turn around, full swing. Remember, she's a robot. Make a 1-inch bubble here so that it could connect the violet balloon through the base frame here. As you can see, the base frame balloons are white now. So we have an instant robot. Turn around, full swing. That's it. And that's it. Wow. There you have it. Our robot. a girl robot. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.